Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to see how Canva's Magic Studio can make your designs effortless and fun? Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size. In this tutorial, we'll set the dimensions to 300 by 300 pixels. Enter 300 for both width and height, then continue. Next, in the Apps section, look for Magic Media. Select Magic Media from the list. Once it opens, choose the media file you want to use by clicking on it. After selecting your desired media, you'll be able to access the options and features available for editing or processing within Magic Media. Image generation, graphics, and 3D video features are currently unavailable in your country. If you need access to these services, check for regional restrictions or updates. For alternative solutions, review available graphic and video options in your area. First, try accessing the Images section. If you encounter any issues loading images, troubleshoot those before proceeding further to ensure you have the proper access and functionality. Type, "Give me a beautiful flower design" into the prompt box. Double check your spelling and make sure the request is clear. Next, find and click the Generate button to start the creation process. Wait a few moments as the system processes your request. The generated flower design will appear on your screen shortly. You can now review the design, make adjustments if needed, and use the resulting image for your project, or download it. With the image now added, let's place it on a page. Select the image, then drag or insert it onto your desired page area. Adjust its position and size as needed to fit your layout. To compare the images, first display the reference image on the screen. Next, load the second image you want to evaluate. Place both images side by side in the workspace for a clear comparison. Examine details such as color, sharpness, and composition to determine which image looks better. Use zoom tools if necessary to inspect finer points. Once you've visually compared both images, decide which one meets your requirements best. Move the image slightly toward the center of the canvas by clicking and dragging it. Make gradual adjustments until it appears visually centered. For a more precise alignment, use the alignment tools and select the option to center the image both horizontally and vertically. This guarantees your image is perfectly positioned in the exact middle of the screen. Double check the placement to ensure it matches your desired layout before moving on to the next step. Press Ctrl+G to begin. Try this from the starting position. Now, press Ctrl+U to continue. Notice how this creates the perfect line. Using these keyboard shortcuts, you can easily achieve accurate and consistent results. Practice with both Ctrl+G and Ctrl+U to get comfortable with the process. Remember, starting from the correct position and using these shortcuts will ensure your lines remain perfectly aligned every time you repeat this action in your workflow. Drag the element to the center of the canvas. Once it's centered, adjust its position as needed for your layout. To add a background color, select the element, then go to the background color option in the toolbar. Choose your preferred color from the palette to apply it behind the element. Click the Share button, then select Download to save your design. You can also adjust the size before downloading for better quality. Choose the dimensions you need, then click Download again to complete saving your resized project. You can save your file as an image, or choose PDF print if you prefer, or use Best Printing. Now you know how to use Canva Magic Studio AI tools. Give it a try! If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips.